understand music. So I feel like there was a huge faction of the musical sphere. I realized that music is a man's highest attainment, and it forced me to think abstract, in a very abstract way, because you have to develop finger memory, you have to have a theoretical understanding of music. Music is very abstract. You know, you have to
I've heard you speak about spectrum disorders like autism, global consciousness,
Rather discuss light and the electromagnetic spectrum. I would much rather discuss quantum electrodynamic, the relationship between photons and electrons. When you study quantum electrodynamics, the relationship between electrons and photons, what you see is something extraordinary. You see a lot of sociology. You see a lot of sociology. Energy, subatomic particles cancel each other out, and it's based on energy level.